We now have Don Bosco College NCC Boys Contingent led by Mr. Amit Hassan, Junior Under Officer. Ladies and gentlemen, approaching the saluting place by Ms. Prachi R. Mara, Surgeon. Next in line, we have St. Mary's Higher Secondary School NCC Boys Contingent led by Mr. Nixam P.H. Mara, Corporal. Following closely is the Don Bosco High
and finally, ABSI Shri Chaudhary proudly leads the way for its second NLP battalion Bora and party, bringing in the
Independence Day. We commemorate these solemn occasions and honor our freedom fighters Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. We pay homage to departure from Meghalaya soils, Uttar Singh, Sukhiyangongma, and Patagon Sanma. We also honor the members of the defense, paramilitary forces and police forces who have made great sacrifices to protect our people's integrity and rules of law.
This is a dance item testing the overall compatibility or lack of it, especially with regards to height. Here the damsels and the young men beating the drums bend their knees at alternate intervals, all in keeping with
It announced that Mr. Anish M. Sangma is a talented motorsports athlete who hails from Lower Shanmari. With a passion for motor racing ignited at a young age, Shri Anish has consistently demonstrated exceptional skills and unwavering determination in the world of motorsports. Some of his remarkable achievements include
as they make their grand entry, they greet everyone with an extended hand and go on with their dance steps.
Sa kapatukat na Huruna 103 Makhang sila na silongwa ng bating takang kubo, a proud moment for the faculty of Tura Government College as well.
ये शॉट एक अभिवादन, एक शॉट, शानदार शॉट सभी श्वानों के द्वारा। हैंडलर के बयानों पर एक प्रशिक्षक
and
स्वागत
teachers for being a part of the 79th Independence Day celebration. Thank you to our Honorable Chief Guest, sir, for presenting the trophies and certificates to all our officers. A big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Anting nungso lepas sukupan jakci wamang trophy aro certificate ko rangi nga hayrak bato wamang na jakpa ko tukang na lekang siba wamang
More infrastructure to improve connectivity in remote regions. Since 2018,
The second award goes to Pulbari CHC. Affectionately known as Mama Opera, Momin is remembered for his unwavering dedication, affordable recording opportunities, and lasting contribution.
profession, even to the present day, has earned her this recognition. Madam Anton C.K. Manak na jakpa ko. So congratulations to all the winners.
We congratulate all these brilliant minds, the torchbearers of our tomorrow, and extend
And certificate in the NCC Boys category. They are none other.
Head towards the stream in order to catch fish.
Dahil si trophy ko at sa king pa lang naman sa kapatay na. One din basketball si NCC girls. And di ba, ang scout winner ang ko ba declare kaahawan, St. Mary's High Secondary Auxiliary Scenic Welfare Office Tura will accept the honor on his behalf. Sri Nongram Yamanyanina ang sumaksadongja, and di ba, Sri
And lastly, the third award goes to Tura PHC.